Let's break down how WW2-style AI channels are growing fast on YouTube. These faceless storytelling channels are pulling in massive views, some making more in a month than many people earn in a year. The fascinating part? They are built around simple AI workflows that anyone can master. In this video, I'll walk you through everything from crafting your titles and thumbnails to generating images, scripting, and editing your first cinematic war video. If you've ever dreamed of building a storytelling channel that captures the power and drama of World War II, this guide is for you. Step 1. Finding your concept and title. The first step is having a strong, captivating video idea. World War II storytelling has endless potential: battles, soldiers, resistance movements, and untold human stories. Start by researching channels already performing well in this niche. Study their top videos, the emotion behind their titles, and the structure they use. Then, open ChatGPT and ask it to generate 10 unique World War II video concepts with brief historical context. Review the list and pick one that stands out, maybe a forgotten mission, a spy story, or a heroic escape. That becomes your main video title and concept. This single decision sets the direction for your visuals, narration, and thumbnail. Step 2. Designing your thumbnail concept. Before writing your script, you need to visualize your thumbnail. Your thumbnail gives your video its identity, and it keeps your story visually aligned from the start. Go to your prompt document and copy your thumbnail concept prompt. Paste it into ChatGPT, replace the placeholder with your chosen topic and title, and hit enter. The AI will generate several visual concepts describing colors, composition, and emotional tone. Pick the one that best captures your story spirit and save it. We'll return to this concept later when finalizing your thumbnail design. Step 3. Writing your script. Now that your title and thumbnail idea are ready, it's time to write your script. Go back to ChatGPT and paste your script prompt. Replace the placeholders with your video title and event details. If your story is long, remember that AI tools often generate scripts in sections. After each section, simply type "continue" until the full story is complete. Once done, read through it and refine the tone. Keep it cinematic, clear, and emotionally grounded. Your script should sound like a storyteller walking the viewer through history, not just reading facts. Step 4. Generating images. Time to bring your visuals to life. For every section of your script, you will need 10 to 15 image prompts. Ask ChatGPT to generate them, describing the exact scenes, emotions, and atmosphere. Then open Google Whisk, WHISK, or Google ImageFX. Both are excellent for creating cinematic AI visuals. Paste each prompt into your image generator. Make sure the aspect ratio is set to 16:9, landscape. Hit create and wait for your image to render. Repeat this for all your prompts. If some come out in color, but your goal is a black and white W2 style, simply adjust your prompt and regenerate. By the end, you'll have all your visuals ready for your video. Step 5. Creating the voiceover. Now let's generate the voice that will tell your story. Open 11 Labs, one of the best AI tools for realistic narration. If you want a free option, you can use Clipchamp or Google AI Studio, but 11 Labs offers the most natural result. Choose a voice that matches the tone of your channel. Calm, wise, and slightly weathered like a war veteran sharing his memories. Preview different voices from the library until one fits perfectly. Adjust the stability and clarity sliders to balance realism and emotion. Paste your script into the text box, then listen to the preview. Trim long pauses or fix pronunciations if needed. And once it sounds natural, export your final voiceover as an MP3 file. This audio will guide your entire editing process. Step 6. Editing and assembling your video. Now, it's time to build your video. Open CapCut or your preferred video editor and import your voiceover and image files. 1. Drag your voiceover into the timeline. 2. If it feels slow, slightly increase the speed to around 1.1x. 3. Cut out necessary pauses. Keep it smooth but natural. Next, add your images to the timeline and sync them to your narration. Use keyframes to create subtle motion. Zoom in, pan, or ease in or out to add cinematic life to each scene. Apply fade-in or fade-out transitions for smooth flow between scenes. Optionally, you can add a film grain or old frame overlay for that vintage W2 documentary look. Then, generate auto captions in CapCut. Pick a clean and readable caption template, nothing flashy. For atmosphere, layer in sound effects like wind, footsteps, or distant artillery. Avoid background music unless it complements the tone. Silence can be powerful in war storytelling. Once you are happy with the pacing and visuals, export the video in 4K resolution for maximum clarity. Now, let's go back to your thumbnail concept. This is where your visual identity meets performance strategy. Visit a successful W2-style channel and analyze one of their best performing thumbnails. Upload it into your GPT thumbnail analysis model. It will break down its layout, color scheme, text placement, and emotional triggers into structured data, JSON. Copy that JSON and paste it into ChatGPT, along with your own thumbnail concept and video title. Ask ChatGPT to personalize the structure, keeping the strong psychological design from the competitor, but aligning it with your unique topic. Once done, take the personalized JSON and paste it into Google Whisk. Generate multiple thumbnail variations. Choose your top 2 or 3 options and prepare to split test them later. Then, open Canva. Upload your chosen thumbnails and fine-tune them. Adjust contrast, brightness, and sharpness to make them pop. When it looks professional and eye-catching, export the final version. And that's it. Your first WW2-style AI YouTube video is complete. You've learned how to find your topic, generate visuals, create narration, edit your story, and design a compelling thumbnail, all using AI tools. If you found this tutorial helpful, subscribe for more step-by-step guides on building faceless storytelling channels, and drop a comment letting me know which WW2 story you'd love to recreate next. Remember, the best way to grow is to start. Your first viral video might be closer than you think.
Peers through his Zeiss binoculars. He spots movement on the far ridge. American Shermans.